Hello everyone, this is Jamaican singer, songwriter, poet, general writer Sean C. Hurston, coming to you from my parish of St. Thomas and my community of Red Hills, Penn. I would like to sing to you the well-loved and well-known hymn, Amazing Grace, that we have always turned to for solace in our times of grief, as well as our times of elation, as we survey the wondrous love of God. I would like for it to put us into the frame of mind for worship, the frame of mind for praise and meditation, and the great grace that has been availed us all. And as I sing, please be blessed. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. Now I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. Yes, 'twas grace that taught my heart to fear, and grace my fears relieved. Oh, how precious did that grace appear. The hour that I first believed, through many dangers, toils, and snares, I have already come. 'Tis grace had brought me safe thus far, and grace will lead me home. Oh yes, when we've been here 10,000 years, bright shining as the sun. Whoa, whoa, we've no less days to sing God's praise than when we first begun. Whoa, yeah, for the Lord has promised good to me. His word, my hope secures. He will my shield and portion be, as long as life endures, as life endures. Praise God, 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 praise God. Thank you.